Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to go through this post that we are seeing here, and this is a picture that United States of Biafra government, posted this on their handle on X, and you can see here these are Northerners. This is Shetima, who happened to be the Vice President of Nigeria, and this is the recent corrupt, the most worst corrupt person in Europe. Look at him here, and this one as well. They are gathered here trying to do what they know how to do best. I know they fall back don't like to talk about it because once you talk about this, oh yeah, it's something Finland have done a lot for us, and okay, that's good. But him going to Kenya and reading what he said, what he posted yesterday, I've actually, I don't have any respect for these people anymore. I'm being honest. Unless if they have a new leader, but for now, there's no need to. You have right to love them more. I'm not saying, oh, go and hate them. This is my opinion. All right. So I'm not representing anybody. Neither am I representing the USB government with what I just said, because of the people said on these murderers, they always look for a way to tag people bad because they want to challenge, or they want to see USB government as a problem, which they are not. But that kind of thing. So we are going to go through the write-up. Please do me a favor and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, very, very important, and contribute in any way you can. Let's see how this one will be. So the write-up says legal actions against the current Finnish government, challenging the status quo in case of USB Prime Minister Simon Ekpa under the leadership of the Deputy Prime Minister Ngozi Orebeze. That's a handle here. The United States of Biafra, the US Biafra government has set in motion a legal process in the appropriate court, summoning and seeking for the immediate injunction against the unwarranted transitional repression by the current Finland government against the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa in favor of the terrorist Nigerian regime. That's right up here. The collaboration between the current Finnish government and the demandable by any stretch of imagination. The terrorist and the criminal corrupt Nigerian regime, in the case of Prime Minister, is an absolute disregard for the fundamental principle of human rights, okay, to self-determination, of which was the same fundamental principle for the independence of the Republic of Finland. The action of the current Finnish government encouraged the ongoing genocide against Biafrans. It is rather ridiculous that Alex Tubo, that's the man who claimed he's president of Finland, found it worthy to collaborate with a monstrous Nigerian, the most deadliest place for Christians to inhabit, and the most pla- and the mo- to habit, and the most place that their criminality has been perfected, but beyond the understanding of human, which he himself referred to as an unholy alliance in his book. Okay, that is the book of from the current president of Finland, who wrote a book, and he was there preaching what he cannot practice. The current Finnish government in is the current Finnish government's action suggests that our fathers, our mothers, our grandfathers, our grandmothers, and ancestors did not have a country or existed before the establishment of an artificial Nigerian with an artificial boundaries and artificial flag by British. You will recall that the Finnish ambassador to Nigeria, Sana Sile, I don't know if I pronounced her name well, this is a handle here, okay, Finland, Nigeria, made a prejudicial statement against the Prime Minister, lamenting that he is hindering Finland's access to the entire system of the fraudulent Nigerian regime, which give them illegal access to the natural resources that should bolster the economy of the United States of Biafra, offering safe and and prosperous market for the global community at large. It is the responsibilities of any government to respond to action of transitional preparation preparations, negligence in unholding the applicable rule of law, and human rights violation against its population. The United States of Biafra called on Finnish government to save the nation's integrity as history will educate the future generations of the deed of those who chose to be our enemies. Finland must not attempt to circumvent the sovereignty of the United States of Biafra, but rather should boldly approach Biafran government with sincerity and diplomacy through the front door and not through the back door in the entire system of the terrorist Nigerian regime. The immediate release of the Prime Minister, His Excellency Simon Ekpa Njoko, is sacrosanct, and Finland must quickly jection, jection their unholy alliance with the terrorist Nigerian regime. So jettison their unholy, okay, now I get it. Jettison their unholy alliance with the terrorist Nigeria. So this write-up is from USB government, as you can see here. And some people have issue with it, which I'm gonna go through. Some actually understand what the write-up is all about, and we are going to check the comment section before we end the broadcast. Before we end this video, not broadcast rather. Please do me a favor and like it, and let me know what you think about all they are saying here, because everybody have their own opinion. So let's start with this one called baby. It says USB does not have a legal status now to sue person, okay, to sue person, corporation, or any country to court. Which court did una madam told you she sue Finland? You see, video that we posted few before this one, you see Sona Barawa telling you that they're fighting each other is a taboo and all that, which is good. Like I said, I concur, I agree. But you see, this is their group. This is how they reason. Now, and who started questioning, oh, you don't have legal team, you don't have legal whatever, you don't have legal status to do whatever. These are liars from pit of hell. They want to know they want to know everything that's going on in a government that they claim they are not part of. In fact, they want to destabilize it more than anything. So the lie is too much anyway, and I don't know why fallback republic their fallback and their brain also falling back though. Good move by Biafran government, somebody said, and another person said, this is looking dumber, this dumb like a dumb every day. Why are you even tagging these people? To do what exactly? Some people are very senseless, honestly. Can you imagine? So this one problem is that look at the tag here, for example. Look at the tag here. This tag that you see, this tag here, tagging people that matter, people that have voice, people that may not understand what is going on. Like this is last time we were told that the USB have submitted letter to Namibia president. This is her handle, and somebody, faceless person, is down here questioning why are you tagging them. Like, I mean, can you just imagine? Look, I read this post here. Anyway, please, if you are watching the video, they tag them for tagging sake. I hope that answers your question. The man seated close to Alice in the current is the current terrorist state called, like, okay, this is the person. Let me read. Let me see. Okay, talking about the man said, the man seated close to Alice is the current terrorist state called Nigerians, a well-known terrorist founder of Boko Haram, a deadly terrorist organization in Africa. Finland is not what I thought they are. Honestly, that one I agree to you. I agree 100%. Finland is just like another mushroom country that are trying to be relevant with the pains of Africans. And funny enough, Africans don't even want to care because to them, it's about them. When you are fighting for yourself alone, you don't know that your next door neighbor may even open door for that your enemy. So the only thing that can safeguard everybody is to make sure that you understand what freedom means and support anyone that is asking for his or her freedom. Where to go, right move. Okay, see, where to go, right move. This one is in support, and of course we should be in support. Uh, this another one. I'm not gonna waste much time. Let's just read a few comment. Good move by USB. Okay, I want to see another critics. Uh, what is the need of writing this long story without action in the fallback with force to back it up? I don't understand. Force to back it up. Anyway, I don't criticize this kind of thing. Anyway, let them just everyone have right to say what they want to say. I understand what he's trying to say because many of our people want to see what to be honest. Finland government is the chief enforcer of the 1985 Berlin Conference, okay, and never knew so much. Their heart never knew so much joy since they started collaborating with the evil British zoo called Nigeria. This is another comment from this person, Opole, and what again? Let me read another person's comment. Okay, this room called Africa. Person wey no book. Person wey school go school. USB go school and no book. That said is apparent that the terrorist enablers Finland are playing dirty like France and British. All these European countries, none of them is holy. I have said it before. It's not an attack on any white people. This is just the raw truth. Not all of them. That they look more honorable than Britain is because Britain has the chance to do what all of them can do if they have the chance to do. Imagine Alexander Stubb or whatever he called himself, a racist. Because if PM is not a black person, he wouldn't have done what he have done. But who I don't blame him to do that much because Bianca, if I blame him, what will I do? What will I say to Bianca Ojukwu and the season observer make a gift as Ayoba? All these dudes that was clapping and signing petition, Chidi, one year, they are all of them are booted and everybody is not talking about them. We are focusing our energy on them. I believe that USB government should also pay attention to those that are calling Biafrans terrorists. I don't know why they're ignoring that because that is another thing that to me, I think that's where to me, if you ask me that they're getting that one wrong, then need to. The video of some of them is not hidden. You need to bring them to book to let them explain how Biafrans are terrorists. It's very, very important, but I don't know why, like I said, why they're ignoring that. I did not mention anybody's name. If you put yourself there, then answer it. And yeah, people, listening to Madam Chidi of Satan Ngozi, Madam Child, when you can't connect me. You hear people listening to Madam child of Satan. Okay, when we use stop and reason, she is playing the script given to her by zoological. Somebody that is a matured woman is writing this. Look at her face. Let me see her face. And then mad herself. Can you imagine? Hi. Look at the person. Look at Tata normal chicken. All this 2 weeks old chicken now. Now I call it reason no. The good nah this some people anyway, not only oh god, there are so many though. There are so many of them that are good in saying all manner of nonsense. Anyway, my boy, I would like to hear from you. What do you think? What's your story? What is your own take on this? And some people agree, some disagree, which is normal. But it is shocking when some people that claim they are educated are making this kind of utterances. Yes, action. I'm not saying that people should not do action. No. My own is that you cannot deny this, legal aspect of it. There's no way you will not go through that. It is very, very certain that you must go through that. Because even if you are doing action, they may decide to sue you. Then you'll be the one to face their question. But it's good for you to be the one to drag them to court so that not mushroom court or international court, that everybody may hear what is going on. Anyway, my people, thank you so much and make sure you like the video. Let me know what you think about all we've discussed. Put your comment. Let us hear from you. And God bless you. Bye bye for now.